Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Where is it? The pump filter is responsible for protecting the pump from a buildup of lint and other obstructions. It should have a retractable pipe at the side so that you can drain the water. The filter is either obvious at the front, or hidden behind the kick strip at the front of the washing machine, if fitted.
Let's help you make your mark.
The filter will collect hair, coins, and tissues, so it is important to clean regularly. Even if you don't have time to do a thorough clean every few weeks, it's not a bad idea to check your filter for any possible buildup. Cleaning your filter regularly will also prolong the life of your washing machine.
Take our lead.
The filter will always be full of water after the wash. It's connected to the sump, so any residual water that isn't drained away will sit in there until the next time you use it. If it's leaking, it's either leaking from the back or you've not tightened the filter cover up enough.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.